Welcome in my YouTube channel Mathematical Sciences. Today we are going to discuss about the role of simple group, okay, and the application of the Silo theorems in a simple groups. In a previous video, I already talked about the Silo theorem and the nice applications in order to talk about the symmetric groups, okay. Now here Mm, the teach uh, which, whose statement is that G be a simple group of order 60. Okay, this is the 4.75 marks and asked in part C of CSIR net June 2016, and uh, uh, the section is group theory. Okay, now let G be a simple group of order 60. Then G has first option says that simplicity of group of order 60 implies that group has 6 silo 5 subgroups. Okay, means G has 6 subgroups whose order are 5 fives. Okay, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, all all HIs I going from 1 to 5 has a order 6 5. Okay, and second option says that simplicity of the group of order 60 implies that the silo subgroups of order 3 are 4. Okay, and option third says that this group has a cyclic subgroup of order 6, and fourth and the final option which says that group has a unique element of order 2. Okay, now जब हमें whenever we try to reject the option, okay, we only need a one example. Okay, we only need a one example, and when we make some options true or justify true, we need a proof of that. Okay, we need the proof of that option. Okay, just like a theorem, as the theorem has a proof, similarly the correct option has a theorem in itself. Okay, and whenever option only try to reject, and question is that how can I know whether this should be rejected or this should be proved? How can I know? This depends on my intuition and on my knowledge, how much I have learned the theory and how do I understand that theory. Okay, understanding of the theory implies that the my intuition works in accordance whether the certain option is going to be rejected, certain option going to be true. If that is true, need a proof, not a example doesn't work there. Okay, need a proof. If that is if intuition says that it should be rejected, there is only need a example. Okay, but you should also try to form more and more example in in other than exam. Okay, in a exam only comes one example in a mind, that is an enough to reject certain option. Okay, so let us go on the question exactly. Okay, G be a simple group of order 60. Okay, simple group, what is the simple? Simple is a group is said to be simple simple group. Okay, you know that I have already defined it. Okay, any group is said to be simple if it has no proper normal subgroup. It may have a proper subgroup but not proper normal subgroup. Okay, group is simple group is simple if there doesn't exist proper normal subgroup of certain order. Certain means like order. Okay, which that likes, and that matters group to group, matters its divisor to divisor. Okay, It may have a proper subgroup. It may have a proper. It may have a proper subgroup. Subgroup of certain order. Okay, certain means any divisor's order. Okay. Now my first option says that G has a 6 silo subgroups each of order 5. जी के पास 6 साइलो सबग्रुप्स हैं और हर एक साइलो सबग्रुप का ऑर्डर 5 है. ओके, हाउ शुड आई हैंडल इट? ओके, जी हैज़ ए 4 साइलो. जी के पास 4 सबग्रुप हैं जो साइलो हैं और हर एक को ऑर्डर 3 है. ओके, ऑर्डर ऑफ जी एंड 2 3 and this is 2 to power 2. Okay, and this is 5. Okay, this and are 1 plus 5t. I can write this like as 1 plus 5t, and since 5 is remains co-prime with its only need 2.6 because this is 5 and t is some integer. Okay, this cannot become 5's multiple whichever integer you put here. Okay, so I keep here 5 remains as co-prime with its 1 plus 5t whichever integer you put here. So 2 to power 2.3 remains, means here means 1 plus 5t, 5 is co-prime and its GCD is 1. Okay, where t is some integer whichever integer one may choose, but it remains to that every integer. Okay, so possible values of t are 0 and 1. 11 doesn't divide its, and 5 3 50 16 doesn't divide. So this is the possible values, only 2 possible values. We take the so take larger one, 1 plus 5 1. So G has G has 6 silo 5 subgroups of order 5. Okay, and I will continue again in next video.